Welcome back. What you see here is a piece of plate and a piece of triangular plate. What I see is angle plate in the making. Okay, this hole is not drilled in the wrong spot. It's done on purpose. So if you want to bolt this angle plate down at a 45-degree angle, this hole will allow me to do so. Got a hole in here as well for different angles. This should give me a 60 and a 30-degree angle, depending on from which side I'm working from. Okay, we're all done here, and I've managed to get it nice and square to the table. Took me about 8 hours on the belt sander with a inox belt to get this thing perfectly flat, because this is a TH400 wear plate that cannot be annealed, and being a wear plate, it's abrasive resistant, so yeah, it took me quite a while to get this thing ground flat. I don't have any cutters to mill this thing flat. It just chews up all my carbide that I've got in the shop, and I don't touch the stuff with a high-speed steel end mill, because this thing will chew that up. After 5 millimeters, you've got no more cutter left. Right, so my bolt holes here, saw me drill oddball bolt holes in here. It gives me 20, 35, 55, 45 and a 90-degree angle that I can select on it. I've made the outer bolt holes so that it matches the T-slots of my milling table. Even these two matches, so that if anything that I make that will fit on here will also fit on here. Now I've made it in a pallet clamp configuration, so that I can use strap clamps if I need to clamp something down to it. Just makes my life a little bit easier, instead of having to sit with a nut and bolt and having a part to hold down as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this build. It's been a long time coming. Till next time, cheers.